finally do it? Can we finally end the talk? What is going on, y'all? 5 Sports Talk back at it with another video talking, of course, some NBA talking about LeBron James. One LeBron James who hit another buzzer beater, this time against the Toronto Raptors in Game 3 off the glass. Hit the game winner. Game 3 is done 3-0. Toronto is down, and LeBron James is going home with a 3-0 lead over the Toronto Raptors. But more importantly, hitting that game winner now, I want to start the dialogue. Yes, I'm officially doing it to end the conversation of if LeBron James is clutch, because he is point blank, period. And it's not like I needed to wait for this shot to be able to make this statement, folks, okay? This shot is just giving me the latest example of the fact that LeBron James is clutch, okay? Because he's done it multiple times before. The numbers are there to support it, and don't worry, I will get to the damn numbers. But before I do that, again, we're not talking about the greatest of all time conversation, although that's a conversation I'm very willing to have with you. But right now at this time, we're talking about clutchness because LeBron James, people don't think he's clutch. The narrative is out there. I'd rather take Kobe. I'd rather take MJ. I'd rather take KD, Steph, whoever you want to name it, with the last second shot over LeBron James, because LeBron isn't clutch. Like, what? Are you kidding me? Look, I'm so fed up today, folks. I'm going off script. This is just straight up from, acapella style for me, so I might slip up here and there, but bear with me here because I'm just trying to let you guys know that this narrative needs to die, okay? First and foremost, LeBron James being clutch, or the lack thereof not being clutch, that whole talk did not come from looking at the numbers, because if you looked at the numbers, you'd see that LeBron was just as clutch, or if not more clutch, than most of these players that we so-called are clutch, right? It was the fact that when you had the last seconds of a game, LeBron would pass the ball sometimes. He would, look for a teammate. He'd dish it. He wouldn't be taking the shot every single time. Why? Because as being the smartest player in the history of the game, and yes, that's a statement I stand by, he's got the highest basketball IQ in the history of the NBA. As a guy with that IQ, he was always looking to make the right play. So if the shot required him, or if the play required him to take an open teammate and give it to him, instead of taking a contested 15-footer, just because that contested 15-footer, if he had made it, it would have meant that he was clutch. No, he wasn't going to do that. He was going to do what was right for the team, what was right for that situation. And even if his teammate missed that shot, LeBron would have no regrets and he'd do it all over again, because that was a higher percentage shot than whatever LeBron would have had to take, okay? So let's end the talk right here. I don't want to hear it anymore, folks. Let's get to the damn numbers, okay? LeBron James now has more career playoff buzzer beaters than MJ and Kobe combined. Okay, let me repeat that. More career playoff buzzer beaters than MJ and Kobe combined. Only player over the last 15 postseasons to have multiple buzzer beaters in a single postseason. You saw that against Indiana. You saw that tonight against Toronto. Game-tying, go-ahead field goals with under 10 seconds left. So follow me here. Game-tying, go-ahead field goals with under 10 seconds left in the playoffs. Michael Jordan, 7 for 15, 47%. Kobe Bryant, 5 for 22, 23%. LeBron James, 12 for 23, 52%. Okay, and obviously I'm comparing him to MJ and Kobe because those are the two most clutch players in people's opinions, and the numbers just dwarf them because LeBron James is more clutch according to the numbers than they are, okay? And that is just straight facts. That is not opinion, so let's not debate that. But let's debate the fact that we will never bring up this convo again. Remember when LeBron won his title with Cleveland, that propelled him into top 3 overall best player alive, and then we basically, put him ahead of Kobe, put him ahead of other guys. Similarly, once that title in Cleveland was confirmed, we did that. Let's end this narrative of LeBron James isn't clutch tonight, and let's do it once and for all. Regardless of what happens later down in the playoffs, I want to end this narrative, folks, because he's proven time and time again he can hit the game winner. He can make the clutch shot, okay? He did it against Indiana, like I said. Did it tonight. He did it against my Chicago Bulls a couple of years ago in the playoffs. He has hit walk-off shots. The shot against Orlando a few years back. So the evidence is there. The numbers are there. There's nothing else to talk about. Let's not be dumb about it. We're witnessing one of the greatest players of all time, the greatest player of his generation in year 15 doing what he's doing. It is just unbelievable. And look, folks, this is not even just about being a LeBron James fan. I'm just saying let's appreciate good basketball. You're watching something you will never watch again. Please realize that in LeBron James, you will never see someone like LeBron James again. So when I see people that aren't fans of him or go out of their way to hate on LeBron James, I just feel sorry because you can't enjoy LeBron play basketball, and that's sad because LeBron James, you will never see anything like him. So enjoy it. Go along. We're here for the ride. Let's not debate it, and let's just enjoy it. So I don't want to hear this talk no more about LeBron James not being clutch because it is not factual anymore. It is irrelevant. LeBron James has put it to rest. That is all I have to say. If you guys still, for some odd reason, want to debate that, let me know in the comments down below. But I assure you that I will have a rebuttal for whatever you guys say. With that being said, hit me up on my social media. Make sure to tune in and subscribe to my channel. A lot more NBA content, playoff related, of course, coming to the channel. So turn on post notifications. You don't want to miss out. Again, hit me up on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, all of that good stuff. With that being said, I'll talk to y'all later. Holla.